Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we are diving into something truly special, the Mercedes Motorhome 2026, a luxury vehicle that combines the comfort of a high-end residence with the engineering excellence of Mercedes-Benz. This isn't just a motorhome. It is an experience designed for those who want to travel the open road without compromising on luxury, technology, and performance. Whether you are planning cross-country adventures or simply want a rolling 5-star suite, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is built to impress. Starting with the exterior, the design is both commanding and elegant, instantly recognizable with Mercedes's signature styling cues. At the front, you are greeted by a bold and imposing grille with the large three-pointed star emblem right at the center, surrounded by sleek LED matrix headlights that not only enhance visibility, but also add a futuristic look. The overall body, lines are smooth, aerodynamic, and sculpted to balance presence with efficiency. Unlike many bulky RVs, this motorhome maintains a refined silhouette, blending luxury with practicality. You'll also notice the extended side panels, high roofline, and large tinted panoramic windows that flood the interior with natural light while maintaining privacy. Sliding side doors and electrically extendable awnings make setting up camp a breeze, while the alloy wheels and chrome accents elevate its premium presence. Moving to the rear, the tail design continues with modern LED taillights and a wide-opening tailgate that gives access to extra storage. The overall length and proportions ensure it feels substantial but not unwieldy on the road. With high ground clearance, smart aerodynamics, and advanced body engineering, the Mercedes Motorhome 2026 looks more like a futuristic luxury van than a conventional RV, which sets it apart in this segment. Step inside, and the real magic begins. The interior is where Mercedes truly showcases its craftsmanship. As you enter, you're greeted with a spacious lounge area equipped with premium leather seating that can be electronically adjusted, swiveled, and even converted into beds. The materials are top-notch: real wood trims, brushed aluminum accents, and soft touch panels everywhere, creating a warm yet modern atmosphere. The motorhome offers multiple living zones, including a lounge, dining space, kitchen, sleeping quarters, and a fully equipped bathroom. The kitchen comes fitted with high-end appliances such as an induction cooktop, a compact refrigerator, a microwave, and ample cabinetry. The countertops are finished in premium stone-like surfaces, giving you the feel of a luxury apartment kitchen. Adjacent to this, the dining area includes a foldable table and cushioned seating, perfect for meals on the go. The sleeping area is another highlight, featuring a full-size bed with memory foam mattress, climate control vents, and ambient LED lighting. Large windows with privacy blinds allow you to wake up with breathtaking views wherever you are. The bathroom is surprisingly spacious for a motorhome, offering a modern shower, sink, and even a compact toilet with smart water management systems. Everything feels designed with comfort and practicality in mind. Technology plays a big role here as well. The motorhome is equipped with a fully digital infotainment system, voice control features, and an advanced navigation system designed for RV routes. There's Wi-Fi connectivity, multiple USB and wireless charging points, and even a built-in entertainment setup with a large flat-screen TV and premium sound system. Ambient lighting with customizable colors sets the mood, whether you're relaxing at night or working remotely on the go. Mercedes has also integrated advanced climate control and insulation to keep the interior cozy in all seasons. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome doesn't disappoint. It is powered by a robust hybrid powertrain that combines a turbocharged diesel or petrol engine with an electric motor, delivering strong torque and smooth acceleration even with a fully loaded cabin. The hybrid system improves fuel efficiency while reducing emissions, making long-distance travel more economical and environmentally friendly. A fully electric variant is also rumored, designed for shorter journeys and sustainable travel. Driving. Dynamics are surprisingly refined for a vehicle of this size. Mercedes's engineering ensures stability with advanced suspension systems, adaptive dampers, and electronic stability controls. The steering feels responsive, and the ride is smooth even on uneven terrain. Driver assistance systems such as adaptive, cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera make maneuvering such a large vehicle feel effortless. Safety, as expected from Mercedes, is a top priority, with multiple airbags, collision prevention systems, and advanced braking technology. Now, let's talk about pricing. The Mercedes Motorhome 2026 is not an entry-level RV, and it is designed for a premium audience. The expected starting price is around $180,000, and depending on the customization options, luxury packages, and additional features, it can easily reach up to $250,000 or more. While that may sound expensive, it is important to remember that you are essentially buying both a high-end Mercedes vehicle and a fully equipped luxury home on wheels. For those who value comfort, style, and convenience while traveling,